This is a Panasonic microcassette recorder. It does not work properly. I tried to record something on it and it would not play back. So, I'm going to take it to bits, and the parts will become parts of other projects that I build. You come. Okay, and this one. Now we crack it apart. There we are. There is the circuitry. Since it's not going back together, there we are. There are the main workings of it. Here are the electronics in the back. Now let's get them off. Okay, any more? No. Clip this wire right here. Oh no, the motor is the yellow and black wires. But that's okay, we can get them as well. There we are. And one more. Of course, the motor is the most useful bit to me. And the belt. And that is the play mechanism. And that's about it.